secret, you may say, mentioned in the Hadith, Sahih Hadith, that the Prophet Islam said that if you were not to sin, Allah will destroy you and create a creation, meaning other set of human beings that will, they will commit mistakes, but they will do tawbah and maghfirah, and they will, Allah will forgive them. So in that we are, the sinner is given hope that actually one should not intentionally go rebellious, but if it's happened now in the past or somehow happened, so first there is no hopelessness, he still can reflect one of the, otherwise Allah's quality of Ghaffar and Tawwab, how will it, if there is no sinner, that quality is not actually, although the quality is in Allah, but it's not being manifested anyway. So the wisdom of that hadith is the giving hope to the sinful, that no, you also actually can reflect, get something good out of it, although you've done evil. But if your reaction is tawbah and iqrar, you also are actually reflecting one of the qualities of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, because you are also doing tawbah and iqrar.